I'm going to show you how we will be using the template for a weekly planning. So basically, when you log into Google Classroom, the first thing you should see without it having a topic is our plan for that week. This will function kind of like RunWeb used to function last year. So basically, this is how this template works. Every single week, you will have a new template or a new presentation in which I will give you the assignments for that week and all necessary instructions. These assignments will be on Google Classroom as well, and they will also have the necessary instructions on Google Classroom. However, this is a way to organize it all in one place, being this presentation. So there's going to be a video here, which is the one that you guys are watching right now, so please read all instructions. Every week, this presentation will be updated to reflect the current week's assignments. Remember, you are responsible to check this presentation and know what assignments are due this week. Remember your mantra, you are responsible for your learning journey. Please watch the video below to understand how to use this presentation, which you guys did, which you're doing right now. So we're going to go to the presentation. This presentation can be watched in two ways. You can go like this and just read out the slides, or you can use the interactive version, which is when you go to present mode, you will notice that it says week 1, and well, right now it's week 0, sorry. Week 0 is August 12th through August 14th. And you will notice that I put no class and no class because our week started on Wednesday. The interactive version of this is basically the names of each one of the days of the week are hyperlinks that will take you directly to that day and the assignments for that day. I hope that this presentation helped you.